Hello, this is part one of Taiwanese uh, tofu, uh, fried tofu. And what we have is extra firm tofu. We have, it should be Chinese vinegar, black vinegar, but we have malt vinegar, which is a brown vinegar. We have soy sauce, olive oil, which you use to cook, um, sesame seed oil, green onions. We have our garlic cloves. This you can use just 3 for each thing. I have some custard ones already used. Sugar and salt and pepper. So we're gonna add it all together. So we're gonna add our sugar, just a little bit. This, then we're gonna use half of this. Remember to get a couple bushels of that to put it all together. Add that. I'm going to take off the cap because we are going to use a lot of soy sauce in this stuff right here. So let's get our salt and pepper. So salt, then pepper, gonna make sure to put everything together. Remember to use enough sugar. I don't smell, not to put a little bit more in here. That's to offset the vinegar and the soy sauce. Because remember, soy sauce and vinegar have a sour taste. So we're trying to bring everything together. You dip, and then you keep going. So we'll go back to the second part momentarily.